Today we'll see the PC2 chapter, that is CNS. In that we will see the hypnotics and sedatives. आधी आपण हिप्नॉटिक्स म्हणजे काय, सेडेटिव्स म्हणजे काय त्याचं आपण डेफिनेशन बघूया. फर्स्ट विल सी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ हिप्नॉटिक्स. हिप्नॉटिक्स आर द ड्रग्स विच डिप्रेस CNS and produces sleep resembling natural sleep in normal dose. They are used to overcome insomnia. That is called as hypnotics. तर हिप्नॉटिक्स काय आहे? दीज आर द वन टाईप ऑफ द ड्रग्स विच डिप्रेस द CNS, जे काही सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टीम आहे त्याला डिप्रेस करतो अँड प्रोड्युसेस स्लीप. दॅट इज द रिझेम्बलिंग द नॅचरल स्लीप. आता जर करता हे आपण हिप्नॉटिक्स ड्रग्स दिलो तर त्या पर्सनला नॅचरल स्लीप येतो, त्याला झोप येऊ शकतो इन नॉर्मल डोस. दे आर यूज टू ओव्हरकम इन्सोमनिया. इन्सोमनिया म्हणजे काय? निद्रानाश, म्हणजे झोप नाही येणे. त्या कंडिशनमध्ये आपण हिप्नॉटिक्स देऊ शकतो. नेक्स्ट इज दी सेडेटिव्स. सेडेटिव्स आर द CNS डिप्रेसंट्स बट डू नॉट प्रोड्यूस स्लीप इन नॉर्मल डोस बट काम्स दी नर्व्स. दे रिड्यूस एक्साइटमेंट ऑफ नर्व्स, hence are used in relief of tension, anxiety and restlessness. That is called as a sedative. तर सेडेटिव्स पण हे आपल्याला CNSवरच अफेक्ट करतात. दॅट कॅन ऑल्सो डिप्रेस दी CNS बट डू नॉट प्रोड्युसेस दी स्लीप. ह्याच्यामध्ये झोप येत नाही इन नॉर्मल डोस, बट दे आर काम्स दी नर्व्स. जे काही नर्व्स असतात त्याला काम करतो, शांत करतो. दॅट इज दे प्रोड्युसेस दी रिड्युसेस दी एक्साइटमेंट. जे काय पर्सन एक्साइटमेंट असतो त्याला काम डाऊन करण्यासाठी हे ड्रग आपण देऊ शकतो. दॅट इज रिलीफ ऑफ टेन्शन, एन्झायटी अँड रेस्टलेसनेस. दॅट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ sedatives. Next we will see the classification. In that first we will see the barbiturates. They are further classified depending upon the duration of action. The first is long acting barbiturates. The long acting म्हणजे किती आवर्स असेल? 6 hours or more. The examples are barbitone, phenobarbital. Next is intermediate acting barbiturates, that is 3 to 6 hours. The example is butobarbitone. Next one is the short acting barbiturates, that is less than 3 hours. The example is cyclobarbitone. These are the barbiturates. Next D, that is ultra short acting barbiturates, that is half hour to 1 hour. The example is methoxytone sodium and thiopentone sodium. These are the two examples of ultra short acting barbiturates. Next one is the non barbiturates. आतापर्यंत जे काय आपण बघितलं that is the barbiturates. Next one is the non barbiturates. The examples are benzodiazepine. The example is diazepam and nitrazepam. Next one is other cyclic nitrogen containing compounds, that is amides and imides. The example is glutathione and methylpyrrolone, methylpyrrolone, that is methylpyrrolone. Next one is the acyclic nitrogen containing compounds. The examples are meprobamate. Next one is ethinamate. These are the two examples. Next is the D, that is alcohols and their derivatives. The example is triclophosodium. Triclophosodium and ethcorvinol. These are the two examples. Next, aldehydes and derivatives. The example is paraldehyde. Next is the miscellaneous. Example bromides, diphenhydramine. Next one is promethazine. These are the some examples comes in miscellaneous. Next you will see the first drug, that is phenobarbital. This is the structure of phenobarbital. In this we will see the basic molecule is barbituric acid. This is the barbituric acid. We will give the numbering. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But at fifth position there will be a ethyl group and phenyl group is attached. So that this is there will be a IPS name is 5-ethyl 5-phenyl barbituric acid. That is the compound name is phenobarbital. First you will see the physical property. It is white, shiny, small crystalline or white crystalline powder, odorless, slightly bitter, slightly soluble in water, soluble in alcohol, and solution of alkali hydroxide. These are some physical properties. Next one is stability and storage. It is stable compound. Phenobarbital sodium is hygroscopic and hence it is stored in tightly closed containers. Next is the uses. That is very important. It is used as sedative in nervous insomnia, anxiety states. Insomnia म्हणजे झोप न येणे, नाहीतर anxiety state, that is the भीती वाटणे, नाहीतर छाती धडधड होणे, त्या केसमध्ये आपण हे सेडेटिव्ज म्हणून यूज करू शकतो. Also used as an anti-convulsant and used to treat the grand mal and psychomotor epilepsy. In the case of epilepsy we are using this drug. It is used to treat the neonatal jaundice. Neonatal means लहान बाळामध्ये jaundice होतो, त्या केसमध्ये आपण हे ड्रग यूज करतो. It is in the form of tablets. That is also in combination form phenobarbital and theobromide tablets, capsule, elixir, and sodium phenobarbital sodium tablet, phenobarbital sodium injection. The brand names are Gardinal, Garoin, Phenital, and Luminal. That is Luminal. These are the 4 brand names. Next we will see the butobarbitol. It is also called as butobarbitol. They are not given any structure. It is white crystalline powder, very slight odor, slightly bitter taste. It is slightly soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol. Next we will see the uses. It is an intermediate acting barbiturates. It is used as sedative in insomnia. It is also used for the preoperative medication to induce patient to relax and rest. The preoperative medication म्हणजे काय, ऑपरेशन व्हायच्या अगोदर जी मेडिकेशन देतो त्याला आपण म्हणतो प्रीऑपरेटिव्ह मेडिकेशन. दॅट केसमध्ये आपण हे ड्रग देतो बिकॉज टू इंड्यूस दी पेशंट रिलॅक्स अँड रेस्ट. द ऑफिशियल प्रिपरेशन इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टॅबलेट्स. द ब्रँड नेम इज इथोब्राल and Suneril. Ethobral, that is ETHEOBRAL, Ethobral and Suneril. These are the 2 brand names. Next we will see the cyclobarbital. White or slightly yellowish crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste, sparingly soluble in water, stored in tightly closed containers. The uses are as same as butobarbitol. It is in the form of tablets. The brand name is Rapidal, RAPIDAL, Rapidal and Cyclomid. These are the 2 brand names. Next is the benzodiazepines, or the example they are given nitrazepam. In exam they can ask like this drug, write a note on nitrazepam. Yellow crystalline powder, odorless, practically insoluble in water, slightly soluble in alcohol. The stability and storage, it is degraded by moisture and sunlight, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Next we will see the uses. It is hypnotic and sedative. and used to treat insomnia, also used to treat some forms of epilepsy. These are the two uses used in insomnia case and epilepsy case. It is in the form of tablet and capsule. The brand name is Somnite. Next drug is glutathione, GLUTETHIMIDE. That is glutathione. This is the structure of glutathione. The basic ring is piperidine. This is the structure of piperidine. First we will give the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the third position there will be a ethyl group and phenyl group is attached. For that this carbon is also called as alpha carbon. So that the IUPAC name is 3-ethyl, 3-phenyl, piperidine, and at fourth and sixth position there will be a ketonic group are attached. Second and sixth group there will be a ketone group is attached. So that this is called as 2,6-dione, or it is also alpha ethyl, alpha phenyl, glutathione. This complete group is called as glutathione. This is the structure of glutathione. The uses are, it is hypnotics and sedatives. It is used to induce sleep. It was also being used to reduce anxiety and tension. These are the some uses. It is in the form of tablets and capsules. The brand name is Doridane. That is the brand name, that is Doridane. The next compound, that is methylpyrrolone, METHYPRYLONE. That is the methylpyrrolone. The uses are, it is non-barbiturate, hypnotic and sedatives. आता आपण जे काय ड्रग बघितलं that is the barbiturates. आता आपण नॉन बार्बिट्युरेट्स बघणार आहोत. That is methylpyrrolone. It is non-barbiturates, hypnotics and sedatives. It is used as sedative in insomnia. ज्या लोकांना झोप येत नाही, निद्रानाश आहे, त्या केसमध्ये आपण हे ड्रग यूज करतो. It is in the form of tablet and capsule. The brand name is Noludar, NOLUDAR, Noludar. That is the brand name. Next drug, that is Paraldehyde. It is tablet or storage, that is very important. It is undergoes atmospheric oxidation to give peroxide compound. आता जर करता आपण ओपन करून ठेवलं तर that will be atmospherically oxidation will be happen and forms the peroxide compound, which may be sometimes in dangerous proportion. It is affected by light, hence it is stored in small, well filled, tight closed bottle in complete darkness in a cool place. Contact with rubber is avoided and small quantity of antioxidant is added. They are given some notes. If it is solidified, the whole content of the bottle should be liquefied by warming and mixed well before use. त्याला आपण लाईटली गरम करायचं आहे आणि वेल शेक करून आपल्याला मिक्स करून यूज करायचं आहे. द लेबल ऑन कंटेनर शुड बिअर द नेचर ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ अँटीऑक्सिडंट. आपण कुठले अँटीऑक्सिडंट ॲड केले ते मेन्शन पाहिजे. दॅट इट मे डिकम्पोज ऑन स्टँडिंग टू गिव्ह अ हार्मफुल सबस्टन्स. त्या लेबलवर आपण मेन्शन करायला पाहिजे. इट मस्ट नॉट यूज इफ डेव्हलप्स अ brownish color or sharp penetrating odor of acetic acid. These are some notes. Next is the uses. It is used as a hypnotics and sedative. Intramuscular, it is used as a quick acting anticonvulsant. हे आपण intramuscular पण देऊ शकतो. That will be used as an anticonvulsant. By rectal injection, it has been used as basal anesthetics. हे आपण बेसल अनेस्थेटिक म्हणून हे आपण रेक्टली इंजेक्शन देऊ शकतो. इट इज It is in the form of injection. The brand name is Parel. Next we will see the next drug, that is triclofosodium. It is a phosphate ester of trichloroethanol. It is a prodrug. Prodrug म्हणजे काय? It is an inactive drug and converted into body, that is in the form of active drug. Actually inactive drug असतो, ज्यावेळेस आपण हे बॉडीमध्ये घेतो that will be converted and forms the active drug, त्याला आपण म्हणतो prodrug. It is rapidly hydrolyzed to give trichloroethanol, which exhibits hypnotic and sedative activity. The next one is uses. It is used as hypnotic and sedative. It is preferred to chloral hydrate or paraldehyde as hypnotic and sedative because it is more palatable, म्हणजे काय टेस्टी आहे. डज नॉट कॉज एनी गॅस्ट्रिक इरिटेशन होत नाही आणि हे स्टेबल कंपाऊंड आहे अँड इट इज नॉट कोरोसिव्ह टू स्किन अँड म्युकस मेम्ब्रेन. त्यासाठी आपण हे used in preference to the chloral hydrate or paraldehyde as an hypnotic and sedative. It is in the form of elixir, syrup and tablets. The brand name is Trichloryl. That is the brand name. This is completes your hypnotic and sedative.